Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you all controls and gestures for your PARTYBOX JBL 320. You can play and pause the song by pressing play and pause button right here, so just press one time to play it and press again to pause it. Now, right here you have also a wheel, so move to the right to increase the volume and move to the left to lower the volume. Now, if you press 2 times on the play pause button, you will play next track. Here we go, and as you can see, I swapped it. And if you will press 3 times on the play pause button, you will play previous track. And as you can see, it worked. Cool. Now, on the left side we have a light button. If you press 1 time, you will disable light, and if you press again, you will enable light. Also, you have a wheel here, so if you move to the right, you will play next preset for these lights, and if you move to the left, you will play previous preset. Right here we have a Windows button. Bluetooth button to connect your speaker to enter prank mode, to connect it with phone or laptop. Right here we have a button to enter multi-speaker connection, and near to multi-speaker connection we have a bass boost, and also we have two modes for this bass boost. So when you click here, you swap between this mode, or you can turn off bass boost. So now I swap to second mode, and right here I disable bass boost, and if I press again I will enable it. Right here we have 3 buttons to voice prompts, so you just click here and you will hear some voice prompt. Also you can change it in the application. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!